Hey guys. So I wanted to show you this demonstration for creating a Teams project in Premiere. And this is really great for all of you getting the opportunity to be hands-on with the video that you're making. So first and foremost, if you're starting from scratch, if you haven't yet reached the point where you are dying, excuse me, I'm having a conversation about dyeing fabric, sorry. Where you are ready to start editing your video, then what you're gonna do is avoid this up here, but come down here to where it says new team project. And immediately you're taken to this window, which is gonna allow you to name your work. So you might call it, I'll call it FYE. Oh, let's see. You guys are Emerald SP25 Emerald, and we'll just leave that right there. Demo. All right. So I've got my project named, and then I could add a description if I want. Just call it demo for team project. And then this is where I would add my collaborators. So I'd hit edit. And then I would name some people. I would add whoever I'd like to have contribute. So all of your group members should be here. I'm going to choose some random person. I'm trying to think who I can add and they wouldn't think this is weird. I'll just go back to choosing somebody from my earlier class. Okay, so let's say Ellie is in my class. I just hit invite and then I'll close. And then the rest of these I don't have to worry about. They're the same that would be if I were just to make a normal project document. So I'm not going to worry about any of those things. I'm just going to hit OK. So it's inviting Ellie. And very shortly I should have it pop up on my window. And it didn't open up immediately for me, so here we are. I'm gonna delete this. I don't know why this is there because I started off with a new folder. But anyways, so I have my project, and what is very important is that everybody who's working on this needs to have access to the assets. So all of the sound and the video that your group made should be compiled and then uploaded to your folder here. So you would press Command or Control I to import your video, and I've got this video of a bird, and so I can come over here, drag my video, there it is. It says this clip does not match the sequence setting, change the sequence to match the clip setting. Yes. Okay, so I've got my bird video here. And so then whoever's editing can start making those changes. Let's say I want to just come in and break it up into segments. What's going to happen is from there, oh, you know what, guys? This is really important. So you can actually work on multiple projects at the same time. This needs to make sure, or this needs to be under my team project. So I'm gonna actually move or upload that same video to my team project. And kind of repeat those same actions. Okay, so do you see what just happened? You might have noticed it, you might not have, but this publish button just came. So that's because I added something new to the group project. If I hit publish, I can then add a comment. So I can say, hey guys, I added the video and broke it up into 3 segments. Okay, so then you'll publish it. Now, on the receiving end, I'm not going to be able to see it because I'm the one who published it. But Ellie for one, to accept the invitation, what you're going to do is go to your one login. And in my notifications, which would pop up here, you'll be able to see any invitations that you received, and you'll also know when someone has joined your project. So here you would just accept it, and then you'll be able to open up the Premiere file. And once you have done that, you'll hit update. That's very important. You won't see anything until you hit update, and update is going to populate any changes that have been made by your groups. What's also cool is that if you make some changes and you don't want them there, that's fine. You don't have to publish it. You can undo them. It's only going to publish what you actually want to be changed or done. And so that is how you create a new Teams project. Okay, now the second part of this is turning a regular project into a Teams project. So let's say you've already been past this point and you've just been editing on one computer at a time. Let's come over to this project because this one is not a Teams project. Notice here. So this one's a regular one. This one's a team project, but they're both kind of in that same tab. So for this one, if I wanted to make this a Teams project, I would come up to this little bar at the top, and I'll say edit, I'll say team project, and then I'll say convert to team project. And it says I'm attempting to do whatever, let's see. You're attempting to convert this project with unsaved changes, so just save it. Whatever you've been working on, make sure you save it. And now I can go back and add my group members. So I can go back and add Ellie, hit invite, hit close, and then I hit OK. And so now both of these are team projects. Okay? So that's how you get it done. It should make things super efficient for you so that one person is not doing all of the editing. Let me know if you run into any issues. Thanks. Bye.